What? Hard disk, complete, Dreamcast, plug and play ready? Time for message from the future! Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell. You know it. And if you don't know it, don't forget to join the Wicked family. So in today's video we are going to talk about the Sega Dreamcast. It seems to be we can get ourselves some Sega Dreamcast systems from China nowadays. So I think it's not on clone, so don't get confused with clone systems. This is a real system. This is like a complete package deal for $130. That is a lot of money if you ask me. You can even buy the cable, the controllers, and even the loose system for $82. So personally I think it's not a bad deal if the thing looks like on the picture, clean, not yellowish. That would be very nice. So keep in mind you can buy the NTSC version when it seems to be that you're having the PAL version. So yeah, there are some differences. So I just wanted to mention before talking about the other system. Ooh. I think it's pretty cool that they're selling these Dreamcast systems. So if you want to get into Dreamcast collecting and gaming, this can be a very good option. But this is what I want to talk about. So let's go to the other seller, because this is the part that I think is very interesting. Let's roll. All right. So he's selling. You can buy two systems. You can buy the PAL. You can buy the PAL version and you can buy the NTSC version. So $96. So at first I was thinking, there's a lot of money. Why is this thing so expensive? But then I realized that it comes with, or you can buy in separate cables. No. This thing comes with an internal hard disk. That is what we call naughty. Very naughty. Naughty boy. Naughty Chinese. But this is what we call, it's freaking awesome. Alright, 120 gigabytes hard disk. The first thing that comes to mind, can you replace it with a bigger one? Because let's be honest, hard disks are very cheap. Can you even swap it out for an SSD? That would be very interesting. That you can put a flash system, because an SSD is way faster than this thing. So alright, let's take a close look where we're going. I think this looks very nice. He got a very nice PCB board that fits perfectly in this thing. We're going to watch the video a little bit later. This is a little bit of a bummer that you have this big gap. I know there are some other modifications that you can just basically add this 3D printed casing that it looks like a full system again. But yeah, you don't need to open up because you don't need a disk anymore. So this is what we're going to get. Alright, let's watch the video from our friend from China. Alright, yes, he's powered on, he's showing that it's real, the deal. Dream shell. Oh, alright. Booting times can be long. And that's the reason why I want to put an SSD in. Instant boot time. Ooh, that is what we call naughty, man. ISO loader. VMU manager, all those things are preloaded on the system. I'm guessing he's going to sell it with these games. It's so naughty, so naughty. But nonetheless, you can do so. You can add your own games. So this is really unique. I personally never seen this before. That you can buy a system, plug and play ready with an HD or hard disk within. So it's selling with a lot of games. Alright, it's booting up one. How fast the booting time are. Oh, okay, don't know what just happened. Yeah, okay, we have seen there are games. Click on it. Very nice. Okay. So the boot times are pretty damn fast. So let's round up this video. I really like to know, what do you think of something like this? I think it's very unique. I've never seen it before. It's plug and play. It's pretty damn cheap, because I know there are some upgrade, or let's some SD upgrade options you can buy for your Sega Dreamcast, and those are freaking expensive. Retro Ralph did a video about it, but buying the system itself, buying the modification, I think it was something around $300. So that is a crazy amount of money. And for preserving the original Sega Dreamcast, of course, the GD-ROMs are get broken someday, and maybe you already have some laying around, some systems that have this problem. I think this is a very cool option, that you can play your original games, just put them on an ISO file and put them on the system. But again, used system, an original system that they have added an HDD drive to. I'm very curious, can we upgrade it to an SSD? I'd really love to do that. Let me know what you think of this, I'd really love to know. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and see you next time. Bye bye.